Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your future: building lasting wealth. If you've ever dreamed of financial freedom, security, or simply having the resources to live life on your own terms, then you're in the right place. We're about to unveil what I call the ultimate wealth building blueprint, a clear, step-by-step guide designed to empower you on your journey. Building wealth isn't just about numbers, it starts right here, in your mind. The first crucial step is cultivating a wealth-building mindset. This means shifting from short-term gratification to long-term vision, embracing discipline, and believing in your ability to achieve financial goals. It's about understanding that wealth is built consistently, not overnight. Patience and persistence are your greatest allies. Next, you need to know where you stand. Step 2 is a thorough financial assessment. This involves understanding your income, tracking every expense, and getting a clear picture of any existing debts. Create a realistic budget that reflects your current situation and future aspirations. Knowledge is power, and knowing your numbers is the foundation upon which all other steps are built. Once you know your numbers, it's time to tackle debt. Step 3 focuses on smart debt management. Prioritize high-interest debts, like credit cards, and develop a clear strategy to pay them down. Imagine the freedom and extra capital you have once those burdens are lifted. It's a powerful step towards financial liberation. Life is unpredictable, and that's where step 4 comes in, building a robust emergency fund. This is your financial safety net, typically 3 to 6 months of living expenses, saved in an easily accessible account. It protects you from unexpected job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs, preventing you from falling back into debt and keeping your wealth-building journey on track. Now, let's talk about making your money work for you. Step 5 is all about smart investing. This is where the magic of compound interest truly shines. Start small, but start consistently. Explore options like diversified index funds, retirement accounts such as 401ks or IRAs, and understand the power of long-term growth. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about consistent, disciplined growth over time. Educate yourself, understand the risks, and consider seeking advice from a qualified financial professional as you delve deeper. While saving and investing are crucial, don't overlook step 6, actively growing your income. This could mean developing new skills, seeking promotions, exploring side hustles, or even starting a small business. The more income you generate, the more you can save and invest, accelerating your wealth-building journey significantly. The financial world is always evolving, which brings us to step 7, continuous learning and adaptation. Financial literacy isn't a one-time course, it's a lifelong journey. Stay informed, read books, listen to podcasts, and adapt your strategies as your life circumstances and the economic landscape change. The more you learn, the more confident and effective you'll become. Finally, as your wealth grows, it's essential to protect it. Step 8 involves safeguarding your assets. This includes understanding appropriate insurance coverage, health, life, disability, and considering basic estate planning to ensure your legacy is handled according to your wishes. It's about building a strong financial fortress around what you've worked so hard to create. There you have it, the ultimate wealth-building blueprint. Remember, this isn't a race, it's a marathon. Each step builds upon the last, and consistency is far more important than intensity. Start today, even with small actions, and watch how these principles transform your financial future. You have the power to create the life you envision. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of this community. If you found this guide helpful, please consider giving this video a like, sharing it with someone who might benefit, and subscribing for more insights into building a brighter financial future. Your support means the world to me.